Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe at home. And today I'm gonna be talking about some DIY masks and how they work and how many times we should use them in a week. But before we do that, you make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I post a video. And without further ado, let's get started. So before we dive into the video and make mask, I want to tell you something about pores. Everybody have pores. Some people have large pores and some minimized pores, but it totally depends on genetics. We have zero control over that, but we can treat them by cleaning them. Make sure you don't over cleanse them. That can backfire and that can maximize your pores. That will not be good for your skin. That can be a reason of acne and bumps all over your skin. So make sure you don't over cleanse or over scrub your skin. So let's dive. So for first mask, I'm gonna taking a banana and little bit of honey and mix them together and make a paste and apply on my face. As you already know, banana has antioxidant properties and that's very good for skin, especially for acne prone skin. So let's mix it. I have taken a small piece of banana and pressed it like this and make a smooth paste out of it. Make some, it will be very good for your skin. I have made a thick paste out of it and I'm gonna apply a thin layer all over my face and wait till it's soaked properly and then wash your face. I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. You can use a brush if you like. Just apply it like this. Now that I have applied a thin layer all over my face, I'm gonna rub it and make sure you don't mix much of honey. That can make the paste very runny and that can be tricky for you to stay it on your face. And massage it all over. And let it rest, let it sit for some time on your face. And while it's sitting on my face, I want to tell you a fact that banana is very good for your skin and it will help in aging and acne, especially like I have acne, a small bump like kind of acne. It will be very good for my skin. And people say that they don't work. I have tried it, but please make sure these are natural things. They take time in showing results, so you should be patient and wait for it.
Massage it.
And now it's more than 10 minutes, so I'm gonna run and wash my face. So you do. And now I have washed my skin. Can you see the glow it has given me? It's very good for skin and it makes your skin very healthy. You should use it twice a week. And now I'm gonna make second DIY, and for that I need a turmeric and honey, and you can mix a lemon also. That will be, lemon has bleaching properties, you already know, but I will suggest you guys never apply lemon directly on your skin. That can be very controversial and that can affect your pores and enlarge them. Now let's make the second DIY. Now I'm gonna apply it. Make a thin layer of it, especially on the areas you have pigmentation and acne. It will treat that very well. You can also use it twice a week. It's totally organic. Now let's make the second DIY. Never forget your neck. I can't do it because I'm shooting, but you also apply it on your neck. It will protect you from discoloration. Now while it's sitting on my face, I want to tell you something, guys. When you believe in DIYs, so you should always be patient with the work it does, and at least wait for a month for the results.